I know that you've heard that journaling is a powerful practice that all successful people use. I get the question all the time, but how do I do it? So you're probably wondering, what should I write about when I open up my journal? So today I'm going to teach you a quick and easy journaling practice that will help you manifest in your business faster. It's called scripting. I'm Dr. Amanda, the Money Healer, and this is your channel to learn tips, tools, and strategies to have NFA, no fucking around, money confidence so that you can make more money faster in your business. I'm so excited about today's video because I get this question all the time. So let's get right to it. First, let's talk about journaling. Journaling is one of those habits that entrepreneurs who are successful practice on a daily basis. I think of my journal as my Bible of myself. So it's this way to get to know yourself. It helps you recognize your thought patterns, places where you're stuck, places where you're succeeding. And when you write on a daily basis, you start to understand yourself more because you're going to go back and read parts of your journal and start to have insights and self-reflective awareness. Remember, in the NFA money formula, the first step is to recognize your blocks. And you can't do that unless you're having a daily practice that helps you get to know yourself better. I know it sounds funny because it seems like we should know ourselves pretty well already, but we don't. There's all kinds of thoughts that we have that just run around in our head and keep us stuck. And when we don't stop to write those down, they just keep going. And it takes up this emotional space and it causes us to always feel busy in our minds and never create an emptiness of space for us to have new awesome stuff come in. So journaling in and of itself is a very powerful practice that you must implement if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. Now, scripting is this next layer of journaling where it's vision-based and visualization-based. So your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined, okay? And you have 60,000 thoughts a day, and we can direct them so that we can be deliberate creators of our reality. So when we use vision-based practices in our journal, the one I'm going to teach you is called scripting. It helps to train your brain in the direction of your success. So Neville Goddard said to step into the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Okay, when you're visualizing, you want to step into the feeling of the wish fulfilled. And what that does is has your brain start daydreaming and seeing it as if it's already happened. You start to feel it and experience it on paper as you're writing, and then your being starts to, it's like absorbing that reality, and you go, oh, now I can manifest this because I'm already seeing it. There's really cool studies to show that what you visualize, you can create just through your mind. So our mind creates things. So when we do scripting, we're creating through acting as if it's already happened, tapping into the emotion behind it, and then that can come into our reality in physical form the more and more you do it. And the faster you want to manifest, the more that you want to be doing things like this. So studies show, this really cool bicep study that showed that you can visualize yourself doing bicep curls and build muscle. So if you visualize yourself doing the curls and you visualize the weight and you visualize the repetition of it, you can actually build muscle through doing that just in your mind. To me, that's incredible. So you have the power to create your reality through scripting and journaling in this way. So I'm going to teach you this strategy now. It's actually really easy. And I'm going to read mine to you so that you have an example, because sometimes, I think it's abstract and you go like, okay, but what do I actually say in this? And so I'm just going to read you one of my journal entries. So I have my NFA journal that I write in every day, and I practice scripting on a daily basis. So for you, you want to be doing this on a consistent basis, because remember, through that repetition, you're training your brain in a direction that you want to go, instead of having the crap that you don't want keep happening because you're not conscious of it. So you want to recognize, you want to focus your attention, and you want to do this on a repetitive daily basis. And so write this down. This is really important, this statement. You want to write down the words, I am so happy and grateful now that. I am so happy and grateful now that. And then you just start writing as if it's true. And I'm going to read you mine, and then I'll tell you some variations that you can play with. So mine starts with, I am so happy and grateful now that I wake up I wake up early every day, rested and happy. My body feels healthy and strong. I am glowing and full of self-love. So you notice that I'm writing it as if it's already happened. And for me, this is very common, and I'm just setting it up to keep this going. I want to keep the momentum going in this direction, and I want to visualize that. I see myself waking up rested with no alarm early. I feel amazing. My body's healthy. My body's strong. So I'm seeing it in present tense as if this is happening now. Okay. Then I say I do my morning routine in our beautiful living room overlooking the mountains. There's light. It's full of light in the living room, a fireplace, and I love our house. I work out in our home gym and then go on a run at the trails right outside of our house. So right now I'm manifesting a house with my honey. We live in our current space, and our dream house is to have a huge just wall of windows overlooking the mountains, because we live in a city that has a 14,000 foot mountain and just beautiful views. And so we're like, yeah, that's where we're going next. So I'm manifesting this in my scripting every day. So I write it in that way, and I can get more detailed. I already have a really solid morning routine. So what I'm doing is taking that morning routine that I already have, and I'm adding the layer of me sitting in the living room, drinking my tea by the fireplace, because our current house doesn't have a fireplace, and overlooking the mountains, because that's what we're manifesting in the house. So see how this works. Okay, now I say my office is heaven. So right now I love my office, and it's a bedroom, so it's a smaller space. I have a vision of this huge office with a permanent recording setup and a couch and just all the lovely things that I'm visualizing in my mind. And I could go into great detail in this journaling. In this scripting session that I'm reading you right now, it's just a couple pages and it's short. You can get really in depth and go as deep as you want with this. Some days I do that when I create more time for it. Some days I just do a couple pages. It just takes me a couple of minutes. So it's up to you how deep you want to go with it. So mine says, my office is heaven, big, open, spacious, cozy, and I have a dedicated video space. Easy to create amazing videos. So you all know that one of my manifestations for this year is to be a YouTube influencer and impact a minimum of 10,000 people, have 10,000 subscribers coming to me. So I look forward to having this space where I can just go turn it on, create videos, turn it on, create videos. And it's just really easy because I have the whole light set up. Right now in my office, I modify things a little bit when I go to do videos. So you hear how I'm writing about this, okay? So my office is heaven, big, open, spacious, cozy, and I have a dedicated video space, easy to create amazing videos. Now I say YouTube is at 10K with lots of engagement. So I look forward to all of you engaging with me and connecting, and I'm learning strategies to understand what works really well to attract people. So I'm creating this in my scripting. I'm going, ooh, I have 10,000 subscribers and they're engaging with me. So YouTube is at 10K with lots of engagement, bringing passive income and connecting me with the right people who buy courses. So one of my strategies with YouTube is to have this be a platform where I teach and you learn and you develop money confidence. And then because you know, like, and trust me, and you get that I bring you value, you're like, of course I want to buy an online course from Dr. Amanda. And so I see this playing out, and that's the vision I'm setting for my YouTube channel. Bring value, attract an awesome NFA community, and then be able to sell the courses where I teach you more and more and more in depth. So I'm manifesting that. Then I say NFA Money Mamas. This is a mastermind that I have that's just starting to grow. I just started it. So NFA Money Mamas is growing, and women are loving the community and are making bigger and bigger money. They're fulfilled and enjoying every minute of the mastermind. So I'm seeing the NFA Money Mamas there. I'm visualizing their experiences, and I'm manifesting it through scripting and seeing it as if it's already done. Okay. Courses are selling. And then I say passive income is coming in, $2,500 a day. That's $75,000 a month. My bots, I'm an investor, so I have bots. Bots are making money. They have paid off all of my loans and are bringing in cash flow. So I still have student loans for my PhD. And so my bots have paid all that off, and they're bringing in monthly passive income. Okay, so my investments are bringing in passive income. I'm seeing this in my mind, and I'm watching the bots bringing in money. My loans are paid off, and here I am building my wealth. Okay, now I say my books are selling. I love writing. Life is good. And then my kids loved the shopping spree I took them on and the family trip to Europe. So I'm visualizing all of these things happen. I have this fun daydream of taking my kids on a trip to Europe, all of them, and going on a big family trip and then just going like shop and get whatever you want. So it's just this money flow, right? And I'm seeing it, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the excitement of them having all the things that they enjoy, us having family time together. And then I say, I am grateful every day for my love with Abe. This is my husband. We play and relax and love. We travel and have family feasts. So much connection and expansion. So blessed. Love our travels and our house, our life. Love sharing my life with my best friend. Life is good. And then I just write a big happy love face. And so, and we already have that. And it's just this expansion of more travel, more fun, more flow, bigger opportunities through income increasing. So manifesting money through journaling and scripting. Okay. So it's that simple. I don't want you to overthink it. It doesn't need to be complicated. It's you stepping into the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you writing out this vision so that you can start to see it. Then usually what I do is I close my journal and I just turn on, I have this cool chakra music. You can use whatever music you want or none. And I just turn it on for 2 minutes and then I just visualize it and deepen the experience of it and feel it. Okay, so when you're doing this yourself, you can write out a day that you're daydreaming about. You could write out one event. It could be maybe you're releasing a new online course and your goal is to sell $100,000 worth of this course. You could start scripting just for that. So you could start scripting about, how you sell it and how people are loving it. They're getting results and you could just focus on that. Or you can do a bigger picture like I did where I'm focusing on different aspects of life and business and relationship and family. And you can do it in a couple pages. There's no right or wrong rules in terms of, the length of time that you're focusing on or how many things you put into it. The trick is consistency and having it be the feeling of the wish fulfilled to evoke and awaken that emotion, connect with the vision of it, and do it on a repetitive basis. So everything that we do in our lives that creates success is about repetition in the direction that we want to go. So manifestation, remember, you got to get clearer, take action, and then trust the universe to bring you the way. Okay, so in scripting, what you're doing is you're getting clear on what you want and you're visualizing it. And part of the action is you doing the daily scripting. Now the universe can start to bring you opportunities. So this is a really powerful, quick and easy strategy to help you manifest what you want faster. I want to hear from you in the comments. Just drop a comment and let me know what kind of journaling do you do now to create success and manifest in your business, or just what kind of journaling do you do? Share in the comments, give a thumbs up if you're liking this just so I know and I can create more videos like this. Until next time, NFA money making high fives.